Remekap da ju khamdaya paubing. Shokar ot kasa shinawbing na family pension wibang agahara maning na naungarali nominate sari khawai shokar na khamaya mihaira. Manipur may mathada makhami maram power supply litiman na marmay kahay wibang na da MSPDCL na yaruling han kahira. Opposition MPs suspend sahay kasat revoke sa mihaira parliament budget session aja habogra. Lekang ator aja datang hur SPC bau jingchuan HH me ina pamidale papu mesai na nangumsa. Shokar ot kasa sinawbing na ara family pension wibang naungarali nominate sami bayra khangaja ina nominee kasangli agaharali primary nominee sada sangasawi zat khanali khangajoi khuramida agaharali marila nawbali nominate sabayra jahaira. Hangda Kalahi Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 with Azingni Amendment Kukarana. Amendment Shi Aruhon Shimgabani Magaja Kashok, Gabang Maninga Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, Dowry Prohibition Act, Indian Penal Code, Hikatawi Azingni Legal Cases Kashok Taran, Family Pension Committee, Mishun Aina, Nurur Kavai Kasanaji. Department of Pensions and Pensioners Welfare with Atishurda Family pension ji akaharali mawarila eligible now libang sak ngaya kha chinau government servant la pensioner china concern office kapit aina kapo misangra khanga che khwi khara hi shokar na Korean gender equality kala chinau le pangshap khame ngasunda kasana jia Manipur li electric power mai mit kaji hitiman marme kahawi wangna da hangdalai Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL with Managing Director Hicham Chandi Kumar na kahang state limi kahai allot power li na thamlaga shikajin timana henmekar hawa Mingjan Pathada Masala Likasang illegal electricity singasa to Kuhida Luba 60 crore 91 lakhs kadang shai kuhera Hangda Kalahi 2023 Kaying Kachangwe Aida Hapok Laga Ajura Shungdawina Illegal power consumption cases 979 sampang laga FIRs shini thasanga jia. Chatra kahai atamni power regular magasa maram yarina khanghan gasa lekap haira. Kala state with power consumers ngachaili 90% prepaid power service kuida khalina jia. Prepaid kakhui bing lupari da shan hailala mai mathada majuho khamiwang MSPDC alim mamya khangai le kahaina. Itumna tebay, irregular power cuts Malekavai, La Shijin Kangwi, Malekavai, the state prepaid electricity service Quikrana, the Manipurna Karelik Zanga. MSPDCL with MDH Shanti Kumar Infal Free Press Likahang, Power Supply Makamatahi Zingrot Suitada, Hydropower Generators Matada Ot Makasahin Maram Akang Saya. Logdak Hydropower Unit Katuming a Chile, Unit Akamang Ot Sadalane. Akha juwi aina mai 10 megawatt jukhui baya kala chila big load time ka jenga thor aina ngaya shungna da hanga state power 242 megawatt load saka haina ka big load adamne 160 megawatt mang load saya chatra ga hai hapta aluni company china June July khwisang hai ka sa power bank we aina 20 megawatt singhaira exchange we aina la unit ilupa tharara aina lokhui da chatra ga hai hapta le MSPDCL na ngazin we big load time ni power cut suita mai ngasak ga chia MDG na kahang athor peak atamni state and power load 2020 megawatt tarkar sai khat 90 megawatt mang samang dalai chiwang athor mai ka chi ho atam khalina da hanga Shanti Kumar na kahang company na power chungmai lomi ngai la timan ba chung laga power supply na tyo hawa da masaga bai na chi Manipur khamra thina Ngatuwa kasali shekut hauda employees being power maintenance ot kasali la kahap laya jitlay. Ajakum state chokar na internet service kami kahai chinala maram sada mi tarakana power illegal kakwi le hawada MD china hanga. May li kasangwi fine ka kongmang manila patop ila zangbaya da hangmatin haira. Manipur wi may lomi kawai lupa 60 crore daga sai kalaro kamarat mahapok runglaka company china lupa 40 to 45 crore kazip khui haira saya kharo khamrat shoka highway aina company na yariwi aina kazip ka khui lupa 30 to 35 crore shika mang hauda power lock vai lupa 15 to 20 crore kawat samung da leida hanga mai muchat khawai maram hi company china yangsang da lei kachi hang the consumer pinila MSPDCL corporate sakwai po haira consumers na kutomia ka irregular power cut khalewi ka saki marun hokopok atam ni solve sashap hairasa da MSPDCL MD jina hanga Parliament winter session adam ni MB suspend saka haiji revoke sami haura jaira itumna panengu bai winter session ni ayini matung makanda sahauda opposition MBs shaka hamudi da turukli lok safa kala rajya safawe aina suspend saka haina suspension revoke sahaura kachi parliamentary affairs minister Bralhat Chosi na aya all party zip ikahangna Maramji Lok Safa aina Rajya Safa presiding officials bini hanghaira jia itumna the by parliament budget session aju hapok lugi kajina budget iwang aju president Draupadi Murmu na lower aina upper houses li banguruma Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman na interim budget li chimurun tarik akatang jithera Lok Sabha elections April May li samangrad leya the full budget chi shokar katarana office quick high tili jithera da hangdalai kanju thaining kasang bina honjingjing le ka saluru veteran cup 2024 ukruli hapokaira luru veteran cup chi phungyo baptist church football committee na mukho khamina aya khangriauli tournament with defending champion awungtang na tangrei le khayi samangaira maizei lungna kharar phungli yu haira kala violent zone 2 na awandang ni khayi samangaira kasomdang aina violent to ngatakta kasomdang na yuhera ngahan jiri team tharada khani shina shurukhuida nungsanglak aina baki ta lei talei taida kale match ping marun tarik kuthum thuruk kala chuko thang ngriyo wala ka final tarik tharada mati thang ngriyo ki ta leya Luru veteran cup mission crown alungtang ukroling ngriyo da kalena tanghonau akale gitnep kasa ochot ni tanghol mayang lalong na makhamaya phongshokhaira TMNL na condemnation kishok atishuda bungba now tamringam chithung ni tarik magada chuko thang tukhi hawa tamringam li liberal college infali second semester li tamda khalina chi Ochoji state police force na thaklak ene yingsang mi hawa ka rescue mission ji akhon mushok lakla sada khyo na bingwi maram mahami thuwa da TMNL na mamya khangai phungshoka State with law and order ngazanda richum now kajivu wi mirini treat kalai thega khui wi ninga creek TMNL na phungshokhaira kathak welungli law and order restore sami khawai tangkul meranga lalong na shokali ngakawhaira Manipur zangda India we state ngadadena Mahatma Gandhi wikati anniversary lik ngasunda Marty state mayon haira Governor Anusuya Ukiya kala Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Tanda state chokarna Gandhi lik khaya ka shipung shokhaira Homage kami mujud sada aya governor aina CM Biren na Mahatma Gandhi miman li warnui wa haimia Wikiya kala CM Biren na chanpao mikashok li Gandhi wi Tishur Kawai Kasathaira Mahatma Gandhi with principles like non-violence Pelkame Chikami Hikatahi Pani Unda Ana Tamjiteka highly Shursada Yukiana Hangjipuna National Capital Shong President Draupadi Murmu na kala Prime Minister Narendra Modi na tanda Mahatma Gandhi tribute mihaira Mahatma Gandhi wi 76th death anniversary mayon da Rajghat Delhi li BM Modi President Murmu Vice President Jagdeep Dhankhar, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh kala Union Minister Hardip Puri atumna floral tribute ba mia Modi na ex-li kabishokta khaya shikhangi ya babu li homage mini Kantina semi kahai ngalei hina ningshi jingra da hanga ngalei huibang mirin chikat mi kahai saikora le khaya kushi pungshoka Maris pina chikat mi kahai jina ya really order mutsmi ngai kasat mi ya da kala atuna sami kahai paning da ngalei hiwi vision ngushung ngasak ngai ya da Modi na mujan sanga Naliban ni khangri aramai te week could like a sing group na satellite the cookie zo emily sarana BM Narendra Modi li kabiwa haira aram bai dingo na kapoli kagatom jithenga sakhawai tarik mugada madi dang MLAs tumrada shinigala MBS khani li khanghot sada chithang legislators community security forces wi mangali khangla for di shammi ka haina da cookie zo MLAs thara china kabi sanga Prime Minister li committee jili kahang capital city Imphal li ayen mi makhalai hina Kathara Ain Nasahira. Stay Chokali Dandi Aina Arambai Tengo na border Kalajili. Sure Nasakta Arambai Tengo with Taliban Kata Kasakwa Hina Manipur Tambakli. Indian constitutional machineries Bitat Chang Kahaiji Chitaya the Kukizo Minganing Pinchina Hanga. Democratically Kapang Kahai Shokar Lela. Hita the militant Bangshap Kwikahai, Ninkan Sampangahai, India ni Mushoklak, Matelak Rangada, Chitijili Hangsanga. Chitala Sada political solution Gade, Tak the Kwikara, Draga Sahira, the MLAs Pinchina Hanga. Kugizo MLAs Pinchina Kahang legislators, Ots Rumapini Yari Mangali. Jibat Haila CMN Biren Singh na Kasaina Kapam Haira Chitaga Arabai Tengo na Kangaren Shokar Azini minority Pingni Katani Kala Gaji Hangsanga Arabai Tengo Kasaga Vajina Manipuli Panda Kale Pingwi along the communal lines Haklak and Aling Sakhairo Gaji MLAs Pinjina Hanga Militants Pinchina Shokarwi Emiris Ainang Bonkakwi Kutlai Pongshir Singzata Kale Kala Chokta Kale GAFSPA Makale Lungni Central Security Forces va Akon Mashokla Yangapamna Nasahira the MLAs Pinchina Hanga Maram Hivang Kugizo MLAs Pinchina Tarau Tarik Magadamati Tang Home Minister Amit Chali Chiti Kami Arilam Mayang Sanrangachi Arambai Tengo Nakapoli Ngarai Gacha MLAs Pingna Twitter Quick Haiji Union Home Minister Amit Chana Yang Sankavai Kukizo Pinchina Pohira Arambai Tengo Nakapoli Ngarai Gacha MLAs Pingna Twitter Quick Haiji Union Home Minister Amit Chana Yang Samikavai Kuki MLAs Pinchina Pohira Moray Town we and Manipur Police Commandos Kushok Kamikala Infal Tambakli AFSPA Hamilushit Kavai Pohira Pakistani Prime Minister Sakasa Imran Khan Kala ex-Foreign Minister Shah Mahmoud Qureshi Lizingum Tharawi Patop Mihera Pakistan Garot na Patop Twitter Committee Khan Aina Gurushi na State we Kangatum Tui Kateli Mishok Hawa Kachiwivangna Patop Zankavai Twitter Committee Special Court Judge na Official Secret Egg we Azini Takamina Imran Khan ba Rida Yari Pesa Kazawivang Aina Patop Li Lesaplunga Ituna Thaibai Pakistan with general election Maruni Saugita Layam Election samples Sakavai Mamaya Kami Khan Aina Gurushi Zangda Party leaders Ngade with nomination papers reject Sakahai Hikatahi Zangda Khan Shi Party Pakistan Tirik E Insaf BDI Nakasak Ngade Sambanghira Khan we case 2022 Moyo Gajang Yari Rally Khan diplomatic document Aga Kayit Jite Hawa the secrecy laws Makashur Pen Gaina BDI Katana Bingna Maram Jip Makamashunga case na the Makamaya Pongshokhaira Party with legal team na Garo Dutak Chili Challenge Saradale Manipur Kamarat Alungli Assembly Session Monghot Kamiwi Mulunkavat Pongshok the Assembly Complex State Community Hall Sangsakalu the Imagi Mera na Pohira Assembly Makapam na Akha Kala Kuki MLA Sarawi Tungni Privilege Committee na Kipaikar Ka Mukui Wivang Imagi Mera na Ninyamuk Pongshokhaira Imagi Merawi Minganing Sujada Nakahang Privilege Committee meeting Sara the Lekasa member Maramada Nason Kahai Arilama Pamranga Long Chinakoki MLAs Ping Dandi Mikawai Kabo Maning separate administration Kabo Maramne Assembly Maninga Privilege Committee China Legal Pekar Kwimilu Kachina Hanga Legislator MPs Ping Manipur Ngakra the Kangla Fort Litungushit Kwikahaji Panglak Kahai resolution Ngasakawai Assembly Session ni Kwikalu the Imagi Merana Katonghaira SCBO Anani Sakata case we accuse Kanili More police na formally arrest Sahira Achakum Kayon Kachang More STBO CH Anand Singh ni Kapkatat case li Philip Kai Kolal Kongshai Kala Him Kolal Made Anili Kamataya Ninkamong Sada Garot na police custody Mihaira Sai Ani Witungli Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Arms Act Explosive Substance Act with Azini case Tagasangna Investigation official bin a case di Matalak and investigate Sabay Kavai former arrest Kapo Garot na Miami the Hortang accused Kanijili arrest Sahira Election Commissioner Rajya Safa election Adam Jishat Mihira Achawi Hili Rajya Safa with seat Hampanga the Turukwiwang State Tarada Pangawi Minganing Kwigi Kajina Upper House Parliament election Rakara Barun February Tarik Mukada Shini Tang Langzin Sahira Rajya Safa election Saki Kachi Chili Uttar Pradesh Maharashtra Bihar West Bengal Madhya Pradesh Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Chandigarh, Haryana, Kala, Himachal Pradesh, Pinghi, Zanga. Rajya Sabha members Pingwi, generally Zingum Tharuk, Inazata. Northeast India Vikashini Youth Festival Tripura Limkok Mikita Laitalai, Northeast Fest 2024 Maroon February Mugada Truk, and Hapuklaka, Mugada Jikoli Kupsangra, the Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Department Tingu Roy Nakanga, Minister Roy Nakahang, 7th Northeastern Youth Festival Hilik Nashan, Nishanwi Kamata, Jetheda. Kajitay and Nasoda Apong a day the week Naryong Han Kwikara, Northeast with Shanglaka High Nishan, Jitake by stalls like Shomira Dalea. Kelo Indian Inter-University Yoga Competition la Tripurali Ngurumi Kitalea. Yoga Ngahan Jimarun Tarik, Tarada Shini li Hapuk Laka Tarada Chiko Gupsangra. Chile India University, they the we aina team Tarada Turukna, Shurukwiki Dalea. Hospitality Aviation Nuyam Li Otsakavai Worship R&D Institute of Aviation and Hospitality with branch New Delhi Shohaira Institute China Air Hostess Crown Staff Kala Hospitality with training Kachangma Diwi Mia Pau Mikrati Shuda Institute Chui Aina Jamgo Kui candidates Shakutum Langder Rebuild Airlines Kala Corporate Sector Replacement Sambangaira Shokta Kala Situation is Lak Aina Kuida Institute Chui New Delhi branch China Pakamai Job Opportunities Kala Exposure Matahakamai Mikavai Sarad Hanga R&D Institute of Aviation and Hospitality in a free one-way flight to New Delhi, free 30 days accommodation and floating full job replacement assistant Mira Chitale. New Delhi branch with direct admission Hapokhaira, online admission na Sapaya. 11th batch Wivang Ningasang Bina Infali New Delhi branch Ilazangbaira. Phone number 700-5970470 Maningaka 8800-98179 93 Hiling Hanpaira Institution Chui Head Office Shinjamayum Namlekai Infalila Bangatingui Baira Latidaju Kamdaya Bauping Shogar Otkasa Shinaubingna Family Pension Wivang Agahara Maningna Nangarali nominate Sari Kavai Shokarna Kamaya Mihaira Manipur May Matada Makami Maram Power Supply Litimanna Marmeka Hayuvangna the MSPTCL na Yaruling Hankahira. Opposition MPs suspend sa Haikasat revoke Samihira Parliament Budget Session Aja Habogra. Aja we Pau Hiling Janghira Pau Nata Clintum Sakora Ringa Pagla Kamhaitum Shong Saserano.